joins us live from Amsterdam. STMicro's Chief Executive, Carlo Bozotti. Thank you very much, Mr. Bozotti, for speaking to us. So, do you expect your company to be able to sustain this kind of performance?
Well, I think we need to move on from here, and in Q4, I think we have given a top-line guidance that is pretty good. I would say better than what we saw from our competitors, and of course is based on, I would say, a pretty solid backlog. This year, the market is really recovering compared to a deep crisis of last year. But today we see some softening and flattening here and there. We did mention in our release consumer and PC applications. This will be in Q4, in Q1 next year, but then we expect in Q2 picking up again, and overall we expect the semiconductor market. We see the semiconductor market going back to a more historical trend of growth, and
Mr. Bozotti,
between 5 to 10% for next year.
You say that the market is recovering, but what about the obstacles to the recovery? Because, of course, you are Europe's largest semiconductor maker, and we're seeing right across Europe and other developed nations as well some really ferocious government cutbacks. How do you expect this will impact on consumer spending, businesses? Does this concern you?
Well, I think that if I would have to pick one challenge among many, I would pick for our company the evolution of the euro dollar. Of course we are more robust. I think we are now able to absorb better than in the past, but still these kind of fluctuations, this kind of variability is very difficult to manage for European companies with a very, very large base of export. So I would say the variability of the exchange rates, the instability here is a major concern, and we would welcome any form of stabilization.
You're very positive about the industry. Research firm STMicro said on October 25th that the chip industry in 2011 will not repeat the blowout performance anticipated for this year and is set for a soft landing next year. What do you make of that?
I do not believe it's a soft landing. I believe it's going back to what is our historical trend of growth. This year is absolutely unusual, but is following a 2009 that was a complete disaster, and so we see now a normalization of the demand, and we believe that we are going back to what is the historical trend in the semiconductor industry, and therefore the visibility that we have, and of course is supported by many research institutions, is to see a growth next year in between 5 and 10%.
Mr. Carlo Bozotti, Chief Executive Officer of STMicroelectronics, it's Europe's largest semiconductor maker, which reported third quarter earnings. Thanks very much for speaking to us. Good to talk to you.